Good morning, ma'am. Valet service. Good morning, ma'am. May I clean your room, please?
Good morning, Alan. Please come in.
Thank you, ma'am. Do you get your breakfast for today, ma'am?
Not yet.
Would you like me to order you a breakfast, ma'am?
No, thank you. I have breakfast meeting with a friend. Maybe a black coffee with cream will do.
Okay, ma'am. Wait for a moment. Here is your coffee, ma'am.
Thank you, Alan.
Would you like me to prepare your clothes for today, ma'am? Before I clean your room?
Yes, please iron my printed red dress, the pink long sleeve for my conference meeting with the gray pencil skirt, and include the shine of my red and black shoes.
Is that all, ma'am?
Yes, Alan.
I am done preparing your clothes and your shoes, ma'am. Would you like me to clean your room now?
Yes, please.
What do you want me to clean first? Your restroom or your bed?
Clean my bed first. I will take a bath now, then after you can follow the restroom.
Okay, ma'am. I will done cleaning your room. Is there anything else I can do to assist you?
Maybe you come back later after an hour. I will just prepare myself for the meeting and then you can come back for my laundry. I will just put in the basket.
Okay, ma'am. I will leave you now.
Okay, thank you, Alan. You are a big help.
It is my pleasure, ma'am.